In this video, I will show you how to harness the power of Claude AI to analyze your Excel spreadsheets like a professional data scientist. Many people are unaware that Claude is incredibly talented at reading complex data files and providing deep insights within seconds. To begin this process, you first need to ensure your spreadsheet is ready for the platform. Claude works best with either the standard XLSX format or a simple CSV file. Once your document is saved and ready on your computer, head over to the Claude website and open a new conversation. Look for the small paperclip icon located near the text input bar and click it to select your file for upload. After your spreadsheet is attached, the real magic happens through the prompts you provide. You should try to be as specific as possible to get the best results. For example, you might ask Claude to summarize the top 3 product categories by revenue from the sheet, identify any missing values, and suggest a comprehensive cleanup plan. Claude will then scan the entire dataset, perform calculations, and present its findings in a conversational format that is easy to understand. This method saves you hours of manual sorting and filtering in Excel. You can even ask follow-up questions to dig deeper into specific trends or request the AI to generate formulas that you can paste back into your original sheet. By following these easy steps, you can turn a mountain of raw data into actionable knowledge with just a few clicks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you master your data workflows.